Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on MoonPay with credit card. For that, first of all, you just have to simply either come on moonpay.com's website, or you can even launch your MoonPay mobile application. I'm going to show you the steps in my MoonPay app, so you can also follow me in this tutorial. So here you will see on the home page the buy option, so you need to simply tap on buy and you will see this type of pop-up in front of you. So here you just have to select which cryptocurrency you want to buy. By default it will be Bitcoin, so you need to just keep the Bitcoin because we want to buy Bitcoin. Then you need to just use the presets that are given over here, like 100 pounds, 250 pounds, 500 pounds and 1000 pounds. So basically you just have to select the amount of BTC that you want to buy. So once you are done with it, you need to simply press continue in the bottom. Now once this step is done, it will take some time to redirect you on the next page. Now over here you will have to first of all tell more details about yourself. So you need to provide your personal details here and some of your tax information. So you need to press get started option in the bottom and fill out these two steps. Now once this step is done, on the payment page you just have to select credit or debit card as the payment method and enter your card details. Afterwards you will have to simply just complete the required verification steps, and once the steps are completed you just have to simply select the payment and conclude your payment. And after completing your payment at MoonPay, within just a few minutes you will just going to get that money in your MoonPay account and it will show up on the home page. So if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest and quick crypto tips. Thanks for watching.